Welcome to another property video presentation by Kingscliff Sales and Rentals. This time we're showcasing 63 Mcleod Street in Condong. What we're offering here is a 4-bedroom house with ensuite with a spectacular riverfront lifestyle on offer. Here's the front of the property here, and the renovation of the property has only recently been completed. But here it's all about the riverfront lifestyle on offer. High clearance roller door access to the back of the property, shared boat ramp as well, pontoon, and here's the view from the back deck, 180 degree views right up and down the river. This is the patio looking back to the lounge room. Lounge room has ceiling fan and air conditioner in the living area. Kitchen sees double sink, dishwasher, and on the other side of those windows is this spectacular view. Dining room off the kitchen, main bedroom sees balcony, air conditioner on the wall, built-ins, ensuite bathroom with bath and rain-soaked shower head. Both the second, third and fourth bedrooms all have ceiling fans and built-ins. Main bathroom sees a shower, separate bath, and downstairs area is just massive. Double garage, there's a high clearance roller door, easily fit 4 cars downstairs plus extra storage, bathroom, internal laundry. But it's all about where you are on the river. There's your own pontoon, boat ramp, and it's not unusual of an afternoon to see neighbours sitting down around these trees. Here is the property here, 63 Mcleod Street, Condong. If you'd like to view this property, please inquire through Kingscliff Sales and Rentals about time set for viewing. Email them at salesandrentals.com.au, or for more photos and information, visit our website at salesandrentals.com.au.